if you look at the death risk by death tolls by risk factors, and this is a chart obtained from 2019, and I think what I understand is the situation is way worse now. If you look at here, the air pollution was the number 2 factor, and I think as of last year or so, this actually like air pollution count for like it's ranked number 2, and it's actually classified as a carcinogen now, and this is a world map showing the these deaths by country from air pollution, outdoor air pollution.
Wow.
And as you see here, it's markedly higher in southeastern Asia, predominantly in China.
And is that India?
That's India, part of India, I believe, and most of China.
Wow.
And this is another map. The resolution is a little bad. I couldn't find a better like map for this, but again, like something showing the air pollution. And this is well known. I think if you were, for those of us like who've been following the news on this, that China is known to be like very high in air pollution because of high industrialization in the last 2 decades or so.
That's interesting because that makes sense. India, China, massive population density, industrialization, all economic growth, a lot of power output. But then to see the pollution from a satellite feed in Saharan Africa, across the Sahara, is that the dust?
It might be. That actually caught my attention too. And I believe this is from NASA's satellite images. And I'm glad you brought it up because I don't want to convey a wrong message here. There was some, and again, like I'm not an expert in this, but there was some reports saying that some of the satellite images might in some sense be misleading. And it could be the wind, the dust, the small particles. And what's measured here is the small dust particles, I think. And it could be, as you said, sand. But again, like I don't want to speak for certainty. And definitely the air pollution in China is measured in like very different aspects. This is not the only evidence that there is like
absolutely.
So that's I think well documented. And the other thing I was going to mention is I put this part of this article here from 2013 when the International Agency for Cancer Research and Cancer actually classified air pollutants as carcinogenic.